Hey everybody, Phil Crone here. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the upcoming contracts classes and how important those are to attend both for builders and associates. First, we've got on September 7th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. a contracts class. It'll be for builders only. It'll be instructed by Bush Rudnicki Shelton, but we're also going to have another installment of it on October 10th, and this one will be open for builders and associates. It'll be from 10 o'clock to 1 p.m. with, just like the last one, 30 minutes of lunch included, and it'll also be brought to you by Bush Rudnicki Shelton. Why are we having two classes, and why are these so important? Why am I talking to you about it? Well, it's because the Texas Association of Builders did an outstanding job this past legislative session getting House Bill 2022 and House Bill 2024 passed through the legislature and ultimately signed by the governor. And in particular, what those do, House Bill 2022 has very significant and long overdue changes to the Residential Construction Liability Act. The RECLA, as it's known, is a forced negotiation process that tries to settle before court, tries to facilitate a reasonable offer moving forward to get ultimately what most reasonable homeowners want, and that's a expeditious fix to whatever's wrong with their home, provided it's a construction defect. And on the builder side, it'll give you the certainty and specificity that's needed to make sure that you're not getting into costly litigation, you're not getting into the warranty business where you don't need to be, that you're truly attending to construction defects, that you're putting a reasonable offer on the table, and that you're getting the house fixed, which is ultimately, I think, what both parties want in this situation. But this also, with all those changes in there, and many are very good on the specificity side of things, those are going to bring about the most significant changes that we've had to our contracts in probably the last 14 years since the TRCC went away, which many of you remember working with. So very important to get the new contracts, very important to go to the class and understand what's changed. The other half of this, as I alluded to earlier, is House Bill 2024. 2024 shortens the statute of repose from 10 years to 6 years, and that is only for builders that offer an express written warranty, similar, exactly like the warranties that have been offered in the past. Those are sufficient to be able to constitute an express home warranty, but the incentive that the legislature came up with was shortening the repose now for those that do what we feel is a good business practice anyway, offer that express written warranty. And that's another important part of our contracts. Of course, the express warranty itself is probably page-wise the largest portion of the contracts in and of itself, but there'll be some changes there, and those are also important for you to learn more about at these classes. Both will be an outstanding use of your time. I think it's an outstanding use of your time as an associate too, to understand these changes and understand how significantly the laws have changed for builders, and that's why we're trying to offer two classes out there for builders and builders only on September 7th, and builders and associates on October 10th. I hope you'll attend those. You absolutely, as a builder, must get the new contracts package that comes out sometime in September. That's incredibly important. Stay tuned for updates on that, and also for current subscribers, there'll be an update coming depending on when this video is published. It either is coming or has arrived to recognize the shortened statute of repose, because that portion of the law was actually effective back on June 9th with contracts or construction starting on June 9th. So stay tuned for that, or go access that if it's already up there. And I appreciate you tuning in and finding out more. Go to those classes, and you'll learn a lot.